Welcome to my honest review of Betterment, the robo-advisor that has become one of the top choices for investors seeking a hands-off approach. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, Betterment promises a simplified investing experience with low fees, tax loss harvesting, and automatic rebalancing. So what exactly is Betterment, and how does it stack up? Betterment is a digital investment platform designed to help users grow their wealth through automated portfolio management. Instead of managing your own stock trades, Betterment invests your money in diversified portfolios of ETFs based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. This makes investing simple, especially for those with limited knowledge of the markets. Betterment's advantages: ease of use. Betterment's interface is clean, intuitive, and user-friendly. It takes just minutes to set up an account, and you can link your bank account for automatic transfers. Automatic rebalancing. Your portfolio is automatically adjusted to stay aligned with your risk level, which removes the stress of constant market monitoring. Tax loss harvesting. Betterment offers advanced tax strategies, helping users save money on taxes by offsetting gains with losses. Low fees. Betterment charges an annual fee of 0.25% for its digital plan, which is relatively low compared to traditional advisors, but it's not perfect. Limited customization. Unlike some other platforms, you can't pick individual stocks or ETFs, as Betterment builds a preset portfolio for you. And all human advisors on basic plan. To access one-on-one advice from a financial advisor, you'll need to upgrade to Betterment Premium, which is higher fees, 0.4% annually. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Betterment's pricing. Betterment's digital plan costs 0.25% of assets under management annually. If you choose the premium plan, you'll pay 0.4% but gain access to personalized advice from human advisors. There are no trade fees, and you can start with as little as $10, making Betterment accessible for nearly everyone. Overall, Betterment provides a solid option for investors looking for a low-cost, automated way to grow their portfolio. Its key features, like automatic rebalancing, tax-efficient strategies, and low fees, make it a popular choice. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more investing content.